Step on the glass, staple your tongue, bury a friend, try to wake up.
So you guys, I'm back from the Dollar Tree and they had so many cool supplies to make slime with. So the first thing I bought were these glue bottles from Jaw. I bought some clear ones and I also bought some white ones. And I also bought these ring spiders, which I think I can make a cloud slime with. I also bought these skeletons, which I think I'm gonna break apart and then just use the normal singular pieces of bones. I also bought some cool Google monster eyes, some of these hands, and I think I'm gonna make my slime with this. I also bought these like fake eyeballs, like ping pong balls, and found these in the Christmas aisle, which is like foam beads. I am gonna use some stuff that I did not find at the Dollar Tree, like some food coloring and also my borax, and I might use some fake snow. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so this first slime I'm going to be doing is a skeleton blood slime. So for this I'm going to be using the Jaw white glue, and I'm also going to be using the skeleton garland. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is going to have to pour this whole container of glue into... Okay, so once you've done that, I'm also going to use some food coloring. I'm going to use a cranberry color because I want my red to be opaque and not like a light red. I want it to be like actual blood. So the food coloring that I'm going to be using is the Wilton Color Correct. So I'm going to be using this color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to be using that color to make the blood. Wow. Okay. So now I'm going to be mixing. Oh my god, this looks like actual blood. Okay, so now that I've mixed it completely, I'm going to be adding some borax solution. So this borax solution I actually got myself. I didn't buy it at the dollar store, so I'm going to be adding a bit for right now. So now we're going to mix. Okay you guys, so something weird is definitely happening to this because first it did not want to form. It was all liquid, but now it's legit turning into rubber. I don't know if it's my borax solution or if it's the actual glue, but this is not normal. Look how it's legit like not even slime. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna redo it. Okay guys, so I finally finished making the first slime, and it's not bad, but it's not good either, you know what I mean? Like, it's sticking to my hand still, and I've added so much borax, and it's stretchy but not that stretchy. So yeah, so now I'm gonna be adding this garland that I bought, which has like bone skeletons. So I'm gonna take those apart and just add it to the slime. Like so. And I So I just broke a whole bowl. My mother is gonna be mad at me. Let's just hide that, you know what I mean? Okay. But yeah, let's just break these bones. So I added the bones. I might add more later, but like right now, look how cool that looks. It looks like actual human bones. So now I'm gonna play with it. Oh. What is happening to the slime? It's like, do you guys see this? Whoa. It's like legit leaking liquid. What is happening? I think, you guys, this is a fail for this slime. Because I don't know, I think it's because I let it sit for like a minute. But that's not supposed to happen, is it? Okay, I don't know what's happening, but look at all this residue that's leaving behind. That is not normal. Okay, so since the last one was a complete and utter fail, I'm gonna be making a clear slime now. So, oh my god, this cap. So I'm gonna be making a clear slime now. A whole clear glue bottle. If it wants to open. Oh my god, I got glue on my new sweats. And I ooh. And I ooh ooh. Give it a little ooh.
I know you need a taste.
And I ooh.
I'm falling in love. Give a
And I ooh ooh.
get it well done. Dance on the moon.
You guys think my mom's gonna be mad at me because I broke her bowl? I think she's gonna be mad at me. Okay, so now I'm gonna add 1 drop of food coloring because I don't want it to stain my hands. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Wow, that looks like blood. Okay, so now that I've mixed it, I'm gonna add borax slowly. So okay, you guys, so now that I finished this slime, this one actually turned out pretty good. It's not clear anymore, but once in a couple days, it's gonna clear up. So the next thing I'm gonna be adding to this slime is these googly monster eyes, and I'm also gonna be adding some of these giant eyes right now. Let me flip these eyes over. Wow. Look at the eye. It's still sticking to me. I honestly don't know why. I think it's because the glue. Look at these cute eyes. Wow, probably one of the best slimes I've made. We stand. Okay, Okay, let's use these hands to poker ASMR. Karina Garcia at age of 100. Karina Garcia in 100 years. Wow. Okay guys, so this last slime I'm gonna be making is a spiderweb slime. So I'm gonna be using some of my own ingredients for this. I'm gonna be using my own instant snow because I couldn't find instant snow at the Dollar Tree. Imagine if they sold that at the Dollar Tree, people would be shook. So let's dump glue. It's okay if we overactivate this. It doesn't have to be, how do you call it? Perfect. Okay guys, so here's the slime. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a weird lighting and angle, but I'm far away from where I am. So now I'm gonna be adding the fake snow, and I'll be right back when I add it because that's gonna take a long time to add in. Okay guys, so here is the slime. It's a cloud slime. Well, it's not a full cloud, it's a half and half, so it still has some drizzle, but it doesn't have that much drizzle. So this reminds me a lot of spider webs, as you guys can see. Look, I don't know if you guys can see. There you go, like spider webs. So I'm gonna be adding some fake spiders to it. Look at that. Boom, 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 and boom. Look at that. Okay. See those webs? That's so cool. Wow. Vote down in the comment below which one of these three slimes was your favorite. I think my favorite was the eyeball slime because that one was more of a thick slime than, you know, a normal slime. And I don't like cloud slimes that much, but it's up to you. Vote down in the comments below which one was your favorite. Either the cloud slime, the eye slime, or the bone slime. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.